Hey everyone, welcome to Man Who Eats, and today I'm eating overnight barbecue pulled pork from the Big Green Egg. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to be notified every time I come out with a new recipe. You'll see a lot online regarding different strategies for great pulled pork, injecting, saucing, wrapping with honey, apple juice, and all that. Since I'm planning to set it and forget it overnight and want to stay true to classic barbecue, I'm focusing on pit temp and time only. You can do this on any grill, but today I'll show you how to do it on the Big Green Egg. Get the egg set up for 250 degrees in direct cooking. I'm loading about 10 cherry chunks on the bottom and in the middle of the charcoal. This will ensure even smoking throughout the long cook. Light the grill with the bottom vent and daisy wheel all the way open. When the temp nears 250 degrees, leave the bottom vent open and close the daisy wheel with the petals half open. The egg will drop temp a little before recovering and maintaining 250 degrees for several hours. While the grill is coming to temp, let's season that pork butt. I pulled this 7-pounder straight from the package without any trimming. This is a home cook and I want to go to bed. I'm just using Killer Hog's The Barbecue Rub to season this liberally on all sides. You want to do this about an hour ahead of the cook or the night before and just leave it in the fridge overnight. When the grill is up to temp, stick an internal temperature probe into the thickest part of the meat and put it on the grill with the bone facing the back where it is always the hottest on the Big Green Egg. Close the lid and check the temp again in an hour. You may need to make minor adjustments to the daisy wheel to land on that 250 degrees. Once it's stabilized, go to bed. 10 hours later, check your grill temp and internal probe. The grill should be running around 250 still, and the probe will be anywhere from 160 degrees to 190 degrees. Mine was at 160, so I just had to wait it out. This cook took 15 hours in total, but this is what you want to see, a dark bark with a little jiggle when you touch it. That jiggle is the barbecue holy grail. You'll see it on brisket and pork, and it indicates all the connective tissue is broken down and the meat will be super tender and moist. From here, remove the butt from the pit, wrap it in foil, and put it in a cooler to rest for 1 to 2 hours, or as long as about 4 hours if by some miracle your barbecue is done early and your company has not yet arrived. After the pork is rested, it's finally time to pull. The bone should come out pretty clean and your pork will easily shred and pull apart. Sprinkle a little more rub over the pork and pull it to your desired consistency and you are done. You can put it on sandwiches, eat your fill while pulling, which is what I did, use it for nachos or breakfast tacos or whatever else your heart desires. For me, I'm doing this as meal prep for the week and I will have pulled pork sandwiches, tacos, whatever, all week long. Pork butt is one of the easiest cuts to barbecue. It may look a little intimidating at the store, this huge hunk of meat, but trust me, if you get your pit running at 250, maintain that consistent temperature, and you just gotta set it and come back several hours later and it will be done and it will be perfect. This cook took 15 hours at 250 degrees, but it produced unmatched results. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. The full recipe is linked in the description below and at manwhoeats.com. And remember to hit that like and subscribe button for all my recipes. See you next time.